We are frequently asked about how noisy our various products are. This video will show a side-by-side sound comparison of our product series. First, let's turn on a household vacuum to establish a baseline. A sound meter is located at the bottom center of the screen. This is operating at about 69 decibels. Okay, now the powerful Turbo XE2000 unit. Operating at about 72 decibels. The mid-size GT500 unit. At about 67 decibels. And the quiet Hydro SS700 unit. At about 58 decibels. As you heard, there are considerable differences between the units. As a note, units operating on 50 Hz will be about 3 to 4 decibels lower than their 60 Hz counterparts. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.